are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.